a pleasure to see you, especially in an occasion like this, where we're all brought back to where we started. I was recalling what it was like close to 16 years ago. And somehow, I find myself in the company of the very same lady, the same person, kauna-unahang Pilipina na kinikilala sa buong mundo sa rangalan ng fashion at sa iba pa mga bagay. It brings a great sense of pride. You are an example in perseverance, hard work, passion for your work, for your advocacies. You are the quintessential role model in what you do. And for that, allow me to thank you on our behalf for your continued trust and confidence, and thank you for signing this lifetime contract. This renewal. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat.
In this regard, I'd like to thank you again, Heart, for entrusting GMA for the so many years contract with the sign up with her, and I hope you'll be forever Kapuso. Again, salamat.
Words cannot express our gratitude and appreciation that you trusted GMA and also Sparkle. Your contributions to GMA and Sparkle with your talent, class, style, not just here but also abroad, is really unquantifiable. We really love you, Heart. Thank you.
I have one anecdote I will always remember. One time you passed by the office and I wasn't there. And then you left me a very small note that I was here, and then you put your lips on it. Until now, I still have it on my desk. That shows how sincere a co-worker you are, how sincere a person you are. And that's what makes me proud to be your Kapuso. So thank you for renewing your ties with GMA, as sabi namin, love it forever. And we will always be here to support you. Thank you very much.
From the time we started working together, you told me a list of 3 things you wanted to focus on. And you never stopped working until you achieved all those 3. And I can say now that you've done it. You've taken care of your work, you've worked hard, and you've taken care of your family. You never forgot them, you always put them on top of your mind. So, congratulations for all your hard work and your heart in giving not just to your Kapuso, to your network, to your family, but also to your fans. Congratulations again, and thank you for staying with GMA. Thank you so much.
I just want to thank everybody here because they were with me really through the hardest times. Like when I moved to GMA, I didn't know what to offer. They say, my bosses here say that I bring so much, life, or all the praises that they would say today. But when they accepted me and gave me one of my biggest contracts, I hadn't proven anything. And I'm very, very grateful. I think I have gone far because I've always been grateful for the people that helped me when I had nothing. So maraming salamat. Every single one of you here, to my bosses sa taping, thank you so much because talagang you were really there for me. I learned so much from all of you. What I have today is really truly because of the people who I started with. So maraming salamat. The good and the bad. I'm so grateful. I am who I am because of all of you here today. And I will never forget that. Whatever I have, I would like to bring back here because this is where I feel like I truly began being myself. Because honest truth, it is very rare to be with people that will not just give you roles, but will actually allow you to celebrate the biggest role, which is, thank you, Tracy, which is being myself. And not just by being myself, but they actually gave me wings that I can do whatever I want. So thank you so much to GMA. I am thankful to all of you. It's the other way around. Thank you so much.